Removing backgrounds from images no longer requires expensive editing software or a Canva Pro subscription. With this free AI background remover, you can remove any image background in just a few seconds. To get started, open any browser and search for remove.bg. Open the website and you'll see the Upload Image option. Click on Upload Image and select the photo from your device whose background you want to remove. As soon as you upload the image, the AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background instantly. After processing, you can preview the final result and make sure the background has been removed perfectly. If you're satisfied with the output, simply click on the Download button to save the image. Now you can use your clean, background-free image for designs, social media posts, presentations, or any other creative project. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to remove image backgrounds completely for free.